How about short cheese?
Like a true Mexican.
That's so weird. How do people do with these things?
Oh my god.
Come on, baby. Come on. Come on, baby. Come on. It's really soft. I'm just saying.
I think the water flow stopped.
No, it's still there. I have to move it around a bit. There we go.
We're bad. You gonna throw it at somebody?
Come on. Come
She
on.
should. You should throw it at Josh.
Why? I'll get in trouble.
Because he's mean.
What do you do to you this time?
He's just
Oh,
mean.
somebody needs to use the water.
Erica, you're in the way.
I'm bad.
Only we had a hose.
No, I have to move it around. Come on.
Make sure your hand look open.
I know. It's awesome. Welcome to college.
What?
I said welcome to college.
Pretty much.
Mm.
It takes up like the whole thing.
I can make them bigger, but this one's like, nah, I don't want to.
I want to get another one now so I can make one blue.
Double loop because you need protection.
Oh my god.
If you have overload sperm, it fits this much.
Okay, is there anything you want to say before I end this?
I love this so much.
What about you? You want to say anything, Erica?
Feel it. No.
Touch it, touch it, touch it!
Oh. You touch it too.
No.
Making you touch